What's up, dudes? This is Jeffrey, and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, leave a notification, and comment down below which snowman you like about this video. Today, I am going to make a Fortnite snowman and an Among Us crewmate snowman. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first one, I'll be making a Fortnite snowman. So the first step is to make 2 snowballs, and I'll see you when I finish making those. So the next step is to put, after you've done the two balls, you put the smaller one on top, like this. Oh, okay. Okay. The last step is to put on a scarf. Okay. Okay. And let me take my glass off. You do this. Put a hat on, like that. Some sticks for the arms. Okay. There we go. The nose doesn't work. Okay. Oh. Okay. No, but let's just grab some snow here. Snow here and patch it up. There we go. Okay. Do the eyes. And the buttons. Okay, that's how you make the Fortnite snowman. It's a bit strange, but I tried my best to make it look like it. Okay, now it's time for the second snowman, which is the Among Us crewmate snowman. So what you do is you first make a big snowball, and then you shape it as like an egg, like so. Then you kind of just take out this part so that it looks like the legs, like this. Make it a bit higher, like this. There we go. And then you take some snow and you put it here and make the visor. So basically you have to make look like a helmet. Just like that. If you kind of get closer, you can see it. Then come around to the back, and then you add some more to make the oxygen tank, like this. And then carve this out like that, and you have the oxygen tank. Okay, maybe just make the eyes a bit more visible. Yes, and there you have it. You have your Among Us crewmate. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a notification, and comment down below which snowman you like. Thank you. Bye-bye.